Hi guys, it's Sharice and welcome back to my channel. So today I just have a quick video of like a recap of my hair journey from 2019. I realized that I didn't wear my hair out as much as I thought I did. With a lot of protective styles and wigs. I've just gotten lazy, but I'm gonna try to do better in 2020 and make sure that I take more intentional pictures and videos of the hairstyles I do, because I realized there's a lot of hairstyles that I did do but I didn't record anything. So this is just something really quick, and if you would like to see me repeat any of these styles in 2020 and record them actually this time, let me know. So first, don't forget to subscribe, and I hope you enjoy this video. So these are my passion twists. They were so cute. I do plan on doing this again this coming year. My puff has grown a lot. My hair has grown. I'm gonna try to do better with doing length checks. So this is actually, I broke my elbow so I couldn't do my hair, so my cousin did my box braids. That was a bad time for me. This is one of my favorite wigs. It is human hair. I'm thinking about dyeing it, but I'm not sure yet. This wig was cute. It was synthetic. I think it was like $25. I'm pretty sure I still have it. This one was by all time my favorite synthetic wig. I wore it so much that it was kind of time to go in the trash. It got matted. These were Marley twists. I loved those. Here's a wash and go. I have not mastered a wash and go yet. I'm gonna try to this year. And this is another human hair wig. I made this one and dyed it. This wig I still have. It's just so big that I'm not really sure. I like it, but I'm not sure if I love it. And here's a bun on my natural hair on one of my very lazy weeks that I did not want to do my hair. These clip-ins were synthetic. I got them for like $15 and they lasted me a good like 2 weeks worth of wearing, so I did like those. I found out I have gray hair. I have like 4 strands. I did dye my hair though, so not no more. These short Marley twists, I had a love-hate relationship with these. Like, I'm not sure. Like, I loved them, but then like I feel like, I don't know, they gave me like kind of like 90s vibes, but yeah. So that is all I have. Thank you for watching this video. Again, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.